Tyler school called. Not good news at all. I'm so nervous, but we'll handle it. Oops.
And you didn't even pick up Sarah.
Oops.
And you didn't pick up Sarah.
Scrubs.
And you didn't pick up Sarah.
Put up your mask. Hi, Fizz. Good morning.
Mama,
Good afternoon
why did
and
you
good
put
night.
the camera on my mask that I had put very neat?
Don't ask me, Mama, why did I put the camera on your mask? Say, Mama, you mistakenly put the camera on my mask.
No, I mistakenly put the camera on my mask. And now I need to put it back.
Put it in your pouch. Your water bottle have water in your bag?
Yes.
How are you guys doing? It's a brand new busy day here in the Delaveaus household. I am getting ready to go and drop my boy to school, but first I need to pick up my girl and give her her bottle so that we can be well on our way. I woke up this morning at 6 o'clock and get my workout in when everybody was sleeping, so that was good. That way I can start my day busy and just get things going. I figured more or less that I finally settled with the 6 o'clock working out for me in order to capitalize on whatever I want to get done. When I usually work out at 8, and I'll chip something else in at 8. Anyway, got my workout in. If you guys want to know what I did for workout, go over to my workout channel at Body After Baby or swipe up and then you'll see the link down below to take you directly to my workout channel, or you can just simply type in Body After Baby. You'll find me. A lot to do today. Tyler is heading out for school. I'm gonna leave you with Tyler and go pick up Sarah so you guys can talk to Tyler until I come back. You take care of Faves until I come back?
Yes.
Okay, talk to Faves.
I don't want things that I want to tell them for now.
Huh? Come, talk to them here.
I want to tell them for now.
Okay, say good morning to the Faves.
Why one my youth?
What you doing?
Putting my mask in my bag.
Alright, you put your mask in your bag and then you're heading off to school, right?
Yes.
You're gonna have a good day?
Yes.
Tell me all the good things that you're gonna do at school today.
I'm going to listen to my teacher.
Uh-huh.
I'm not going to talk.
Uh-huh. You're not gonna talk in class when teacher is talking.
And I'm not going to have bad notes.
Mm-hmm.
And I am going to eat everything at canteen.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Very good. You're gonna be a good boy.
Yeah.
Alright. Have a good day, alright?
Right.
Let's go find Sarah.
But wait, Mama.
What?
Tomorrow,
Uh-huh.
make me very pretty for the photo.
You're always pretty. I don't have to make you pretty. You're naturally pretty.
You need to put me pretty clothes, okay?
Don't speak like that.
Okay?
Yes, I'll put you pretty clothes. I'll put you pretty clothes. You'll be super handsome for tomorrow. Ready?
Yes, pinky promise for that.
Pinky promise. Alright, tell Faith see them later.
Just the one.
Okay, you and Faith can talk. I'm gone.
Maybe I annoy her a bit too much. Not that I put my mask in my bag. I can take my mask, but in some seconds you're not going to recognize me anymore. I'm going to go away and you will not recognize me after. Actually, I'm going to go away and you're not going to recognize me. 1, 2, 3. And I'm back. You don't recognize me much because I have my mask on. Oh no. Why does record side? I'm trying to put my head in it. So then I need to go on for school. So you know that when I'm going to school it's only Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, 4 days. And guess in the comment section below which day are we today for me to go at school. And another one that is going to be which day of school I will do the photo. And the answer for the first question is Monday. And the answer for the second one is Tuesday. Yes, tomorrow I will do the photo. If you're wondering who I am, it's me, Tyler, speaking all along with no teeth, teeth, no teeth, no teeth, and protect yourself by COVID-19. And today is a good day of Monday.
There is the princess. Say hello, princess. She said hello, princess.
How are you, Faith? Say hello, Faith. Happy. Look, here is Faith. Say hello, Faith. Happy. Say how are you? I'm fine. Let's see. I'm fine. I'm fine. Sarah, look.
Let me just tell you about that sleeping syndrome when I'm to study in the mornings. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm 1 hour in and I'm dying. I just want to sleep so bad. But since I want to sleep, I got up to make me some breakfast. And for breakfast this morning, I'm having spinach, almond milk, strawberries, and mango. I'm making a smoothie. And that will be breakfast. Hopefully it can wake me up a bit. Some for me. And I'll leave the rest for babe for his breakfast tomorrow. It will be just enough. I'm sure Sarah gonna want some. And I have 1 cup of green goodness for me right now. I hope this don't put me to sleep more than waking me up, but I'm gonna go enjoy breakfast.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a new day in Nice, in the beautiful Nice. I'm watching other girls. Whoops. Come with me.
Go to Papa. Oh my gosh,
she's running away. Well, I hope you all having a wonderful day. We about to start the day. As I told you yesterday, I'm going to the garage right now, so I hope nothing serious to the car, but I have to check something. So yeah, enjoy the vlog, and we'll catch you guys soon.
Dr. Faves, look. Say hello, Faves.
Hello, Faith.
I am playing.
Happy
Say I just had lunch.
I love it.
Tell them you just had lunch. You talking to Fibs? Say hello, Fibs.
Hello, Fibs.
Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do with you?
You happy on the
You're singing if you're happy and you know it. You guys, I didn't show you while I'm preparing this, but it's a quick lunch for me. I have some lentil and carrot here. It's just peas and carrot. I bought this at the supermarket, already made in the beer section. It is so good. I have a few meatballs which I had left over in the fridge, and I paired that with some salad. That's lunch for today. You guys, I got an unexpected call, unexpected turn of events to my day, and I am on the streets. I had to pick up Sarah and rushed out of the house. Tyler's school called. Not good news at all. I'm so nervous, but we'll handle it. Tyler's class, someone in Tyler's class tests positive for COVID, so his class have to be dismissed and everybody have to go home and stay home for 1 week. So they just called me and I have to go and pick him up right now. So I'm on my way to go and pick up Tyler, so I have to pick him up. Gonna have to wash him, wash all of his things right away. So I'll talk to you guys after I pick him up and take him home and take care of him. I won't be able to talk to you guys during all that, so let me handle my boy situation and then I'll give you guys another update after. Alright you guys, I made dinner. Didn't show you guys the process, but this is the outcome. Babe is not home as yet. Mine, I'm about to eat with the kids, and that's Sarah's, and that's Tyler. Dinner for the fam, bam! My daughter packing up by herself. Good job, Sarah. You're almost done. You're almost finished. Here's Chase. Good job. Here, look, put Chase in. Look, see, you have two right here. Take up Tata. Take up Tata. Take up Tata. Put Tata in. Put Tata in the basket. Put Tata in. She put it on the ground. You finish? Yay! Bravo, Sarah! Sarah, pack up the room. Sarah, pack up the room. Sarah, pack up the room. Yay, yay, yay! High five. Yeah! Yeah! You did good.
Bonjour bébé.
Bonjour mon amour.
Ça va? Tout le monde ça va?
Oui, et toi?
Ouais, je suis fatigué, mais ça va.
Tu es fatigué toi? Pas le sportif aujourd'hui.
Hein?
Tu as fait le sport aujourd'hui? Tu vas faire?
Peut-être après les abdos, pas maintenant.
Ok, tu vas manger maintenant?
Oui, je peux manger.
Ok. Sarah, who is that?
Demain je suis à la maison, alors ça va être plus facile.
Hmm?
Demain je suis à la maison, c'est plus facile.
Bon, oui.
Demain il faut que j'aille à... Oh merde. Il faut que que je retourne au garage demain.
Pourquoi?
Parce qu'il y a un truc qu'il fallait que je vois. C'est pour ça. Si j'aime Leclerc à Leclerc en même temps, que je mette de l'essence dans ma voiture aussi.
L'essence, c'est quoi l'essence?
L'essence?
Oui.
The gas in the car? Oui, ça s'appelle l'essence.
Oh.
Ah, mon gars?
Baby song. Give Papa high five and kisses.
Papa, Mama, can you tell Papa these things from school?
He knows.
Hi, Melissa. Hi, boo. How are you? You're pretty today, you know that? Hi, guys.
I'm only pretty today alone.
Yeah, only today. And the weekend.
But you never say nothing.
Hi, guys. Good afternoon and good night. It's the end of the day. Oh, what a day. What a day. I mean, when you wake up in the morning and you just think about what your day gonna be, and then it's the evening like now.
You don't expect
nothing that happened
today from your son's school. You guys, I haven't even picked up the camera since I picked up Tyler because so much things just been going through my head. Trying to figure out if the person in his class had it from Friday at school and the family found out over the weekend and then called the school this morning. I'm trying to find all the scenarios which it could possibly be. Which when I break down everything, I think that's the best possible scenario. I think the kid was have it Friday and the family found out over the weekend because two persons didn't show up at school today, and you can't say it's which of the two. And then I know the teacher won't say who it is, and they didn't inform us whether they found out today or
no. But the fact is, when you do a PCR test, you don't get the result right away. Right.
That's true. But we're not sure if it's a PCR test the family did.
Right.
We're
so
just
maybe,
assuming.
but in the case, for example, if it's not a PCR test, the person will have done the test this morning and get the result and call. So this morning the person wasn't at school.
Right.
And if the person got a PCR test, I mean the person have done the test
from
like
Friday
or Saturday.
Right.
Because if the person had done the test today, he won't have get. So for sure the kids, the last time that the kids was in contact is Friday. Right. Can't be today. That's Friday. But if the person was positive on Friday and that's close, that's contact.
So we try to analyze Tyler to see where in the class this person sit.
It would be fine.
This person,
they have the mask all day.
Right,
they have the mask all day in class. When they're outside, of course not.
Yeah, but I get to understand it's not somebody that he play with at school, and the person sit far from him in the class, opposite end of him. So that was kind of good. I mean, the two person that is absent sit complete opposite from him. But today, me with my paranoid self, today when he came home, you know, just the fact that the kid was in the class and nobody knows. So he came home, he went straight to the bathroom, he washed himself, threw him clothes in the wash.
It's too late today. That should have been Friday.
Well, even so, I mean, you might never know how long it might be on the surface for.
Okay, I mean, we just have to look he's behaving.
Yeah. We'll get him tested tomorrow anyway.
Yeah, I think
just for safety.
It's the French things. You have to be tested the next day, and 7 days after you have to be tested again before to go back to school. So he will be home for the next 7 days. I mean, no school for the next 7 days.
And it's just his class alone.
Yeah, that's what they do.
Everybody
They
else will be
just
back at school.
close class by class. I mean, because during the day, I don't know for other countries, but that's what they do in France. When they go, they try not to mix up kids.
Right.
So the fact that they don't mix up kids, they know if they have to close, somebody is positive, they only close the class and not the entire school. So, well, this is what it is. It's just the
And they wear the
beginning. It's the
mask.
first time in
a while.
Yeah, I mean, it's the first time that the class closed, so it's the first time in more than a year.
Right.
Well,
So
since the
they've been
beginning.
doing good.
Right, so it can happen. I mean, it can happen to
They're
anybody.
kids, I mean.
Right, so that's okay. Just have to now make sure that it's fine. You don't have it, but well, we can't let him away.
We're just gonna make him do the test because he can be asymptomatic.
And at his age it's fine. So yeah, we just.
But just to ensure, we're still gonna do it.
Yeah, we good.
I've been just looking at him, just with gratitude that is not him. I mean, I hope whoever have it will be okay and they'll recover fine, because everybody is different. One person can manage it fine and the other might not can handle it well. You don't know if this kid have any underlying sickness. Is not all the kids manage it well.
Most of the kids are
most of them manage
doing
well,
but it's more like they're doing well, but they can be more contagious to others. So thank God we're here, just us. We don't have grandparents or great grandparents or people like this around. So yeah, we're just here, and as we say, we just hope that anybody around you just don't know.
Right. And worse with the changes a climate and all this cold going around and the blowing the nose and the sneezing and well, just hope that family is okay.
Yeah.
And Tyler is fine. Tyler is sleeping, but I was just so in my mommy mode I didn't pick up the camera since he got home.
Yes.
Yeah. When he saw me and I was the first parent there, because the school called me and I'm like, oh my God.
Plus you also, some people are at work.
Of
That's
course.
the mean. When you're in the office, what you gonna do? I mean, if you were at work, I would have been the one to went and pick him up, and then what to do? Walk from home or go in the office and he's with me. I mean, he can't be with me in the office around people. He was supposed to.
It's not easy for parents who are away at work. I mean, that's like a daycare for some parents, I was the first one there, and then two parents came right after I got there, picking up kids from Tyler class. So Tyler and another boy came out first because we were the first two parents there. But he was fine. When he see me, he said, Mama, can you believe somebody have COVID-19 in my class? Oh my God, with his extra self, like his mother. Mama, can you believe somebody have COVID-19 in my class? I say, yes, that's why I come to pick you up. I'm like, I can't believe it. Somebody have COVID-19.
Alright. Anyway, guys, I'm sure you don't want to miss the next stories about it. You're not gonna miss it. Just turn on the notification bell and you get it. So before to go right now, don't forget to
give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow
with news
and more news.